Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be making a spring scented simmer pot. These are great. You can just set them on the stove and make your house smell amazing. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So today I'm going to be using, first you need a pot with some water, and then I'm going to be using some lemon, some fresh lemon, some oranges. All I have is these little cutie baby oranges, so I have to use a couple of them. And then I have rosemary. You can use like the full sprigs. That's probably what I would have preferred, but I just got this from Kroger. Also, if you have like some vanilla, that would help with the smell, would make the smell stronger and make it smell better. But I didn't have any vanilla. I need to get some. Since I moved, I think I threw that out. So I'm just gonna slice up some of my lemon. I'm only cutting up half for mine because I want to save the other half if I want to add it more, or maybe for like some lemon water or something. So I'm just cutting up half, but you can certainly cut up a whole lemon for it if you want. And like I said, I just have these little cutie oranges. They're kind of a little bit harder to cut like this. I typically don't cut cutie oranges, but just kind of go with the slice themes with the lemons and the orange slices. If you have a regular size orange, one would probably be enough. But I'm going to cut up a couple of these cuties because they're small. Okay, so I have those sliced up and ready to put in the pot. So I just have my water pretty full in the pot, and then it's just kind of warming up right now. Just gonna add in all the lemon and orange slices. And like I said, if you have like vanilla or some other scent or whatever you want to put in there, that's fine. It's just what I'm doing. And if, like I said, if I had vanilla, I would be adding it because it would add to the smell or to the scent. Add those in. I'm just gonna add, I have a little bit of rosemary leaves in there already, but I'm gonna add in some rosemary leaves. This is all up to you, really up to how much you want. And then I'm gonna bring my water up to a boil. And my little stove lights look like eyes in there. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes until it comes up to a nice little boil. It'll help get the smell going. So there it is, it's starting to boil. So I'll leave it, you can leave it for a couple minutes at a boil if you want, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn mine down to like a low simmer, whatever you want to put on, just a low temperature. Once you get to this point, just make sure you check on it and add water in it, like depending on how much water, maybe every 30 minutes, maybe every hour. I like to put on a timer so I don't forget about it, because if I don't put a timer on, I will forget. So just check it, and you can just add water to it throughout the day. If you're home all day, just leave it on and add water to it occasionally. And then when you're done with it for the day, you can just take it off the burner and set it aside, and cover it when you're not using it. So really you could use it for about 2 to 3 days that way, as long as you keep it on the stove covered when you're not using it. But I think it's just a nice little way to add like a nice scent in your home, and it's just a fun little thing to do. Finding joy in the little things, like having a nice smelling home and having a fun little activity to do. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. I appreciate it so much, and I love all your comments and everything you guys say. Have a great day.